Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Hannah here. Today's video I am going to be sharing with you how I created this rustic farmhouse style fall inspired wall planter using Dollar Tree items. If you'd like to see how I created this, then continue to keep on watching. Alright, honey, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button now. And now let's go ahead and get into the video. So you're going to need one of these galvanized planters from the Dollar Tree, some rope, some straw, some fall adornments. I am going to be using some corn and some pumpkins, as well as some fall flowers. So you will need hot glue and a glue gun as well. I will leave all of that stuff in the description box so that you can check it out if you decide to do this DIY. So this DIY is super simple, you guys. I mean, it is so simple. It's self-explanatory. I really don't need to talk you through it because it is just that simple. So I just want you guys to sit back and enjoy the video and just watch and see how I create this beauty. And also, this piece is versatile, you guys. You can sit it on your table or you can hang it on the wall. And if you continue to watch, I will show you exactly how we make that possible. All right, you guys, enjoy the video. Leave me some comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this farmhouse style fall decor piece. Is it a win or is it a pass? I don't know. You tell me. I absolutely think it's super cute, and I will show you guys in another video exactly where I place this piece and how I style it. So be sure to keep an eye out for the next video that comes out concerning these beauties. Alright dolls, this is the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and it is the first fall DIY of a fall series. Please go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss out on that fall series and all of the DIYs that I have planned for you guys. Until the next one, you guys, be blessed, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.